Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Nengi finally breaks Prince's heart. What she said will blow your mind. Nengi said she does not like him. The first set of vows of BB Naija Lockdown show revealed that she is just using him to pass time. As days goes by, housemates who like each other are expressing their feelings while some have started dating already. Meanwhile, there are others who are just taking their time. Recently, Rebecca Hampson, popularly known as Nengi, had a conversation with another housemate called Prince. The beautiful fair lady opened up on her true feelings for the royalty. As they conversed, Prince stated that Nengi likes him, but she argued otherwise. According to her, she used to like him but not anymore. Prince, who wouldn't take no for an answer, insisted that the lovely woman still likes him, but Nengi shattered his heart when she said that she was just using him to pass time. The young royalty wasn't expecting the statement as he stared at her in shock. As he tried to leave Nengi and move away from where they were having the conversation, she called him back saying that she was joking. However, she repeated the statement again. Nengi and Prince share a close relationship in the house. They have been seen on a number of occasions eating together or having conversation. Prince was clearly not expecting Nengi's response to him. So guys, this is how it has been in the house. Nengi has been accused by other female housemates of playing around with the guys, eating their heads together and not being romantically involved with any of them. What are your thoughts, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.